Kitty and its dad went out to play, and suddenly a human emerged from the shrubbery. The human was very evil. He kidnapped the kitty dad and tied him to a railway track. Human told the kitty, there would be a train arrive here soon, and you had only two choices. One was to pull the pull rod, and the train would go to another track. Your father would survive, but he would kill 5 innocent kitty. The other was to do nothing, but you would become an orphan. The human looked at the kitty playfully, wanted to see what the kitty would do, but the kitty did not pull the pull rod. The train flattened the kitty dad. Human asked the kitty why it did not save its father. The kitty said, that life is equal. The pain of 5 cat is greater than the pain of 1 cat. In order to reduce the pain, kitty chooses not to pull the pull rod, even if it crushes its own father. Although the pull rod is pulled, it still creates slaughter, and leaves terrible karma. Kitty said that its choice was only based on utilitarianism, sacrificing its father to seek happiness for more kitties. Seeing the kitty speak confidently, the human was very angry. He just wanted the kitty to kill the 5 cats and make the kitten take the blame. But he didn't expect the kitty to be a utilitarian, so the angry human tied the kitty to the track as well.